Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Mazda 3 head unit 2013 to 2018 years. Android Pie system. Okay, let me do unbox review. Let me open the box. It has a bigger box. It comes with joystick. Next is special harness. This DVD player. And the head unit. Okay, let me introduce harness set first. You can check this special harness for Mazda 3. This is Mazda 3. Mazda new canvas box. This canvas box. This is radio antenna. Okay, this is special harness. Special connector. Mazda 3 power cable. Okay. This connector connect back head unit. Okay, this is K1 and K2. It's for steering wheel control this two wire. Okay, that's all. This is harness. It comes with external microphone and GPS antenna. This two USB cable, and external microphone. It's camera input. Okay, this is AUX input, left and right. This is video input. AUX type or RCA type. This connector connect back head unit, and this audio combo. This is subwoofer. Okay, it's video 1 and video 2. This is audio out, left and right, rear and front. Okay, this connect back head unit. Okay. Let me introduce. This is DVD player. This is DVD slot. This connector. This please take out this screw before installing. These two screws take out before installing. Okay, this DVD player. Let me show the joystick. Okay, you can check this joystick special for Mazda 3. There are screw hole, 4 screw hole. One and the back you can check this cable connect this connector port. Okay, joystick. Okay, let me show the head unit. This 10.25-inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, you can check this screen. 10.25, and the back. Let me show the back. This radio port and the Wi-Fi antenna. This connector cable, and this fuse, this power cable, this GPS. Okay, this screw hole. Okay. Let me find the Okay, you can check the back. Okay, this kit. There are 3 kits. Okay. It's hard to fix. Okay. You can check this cable on back. This connect the joystick. This connect the DVD player. Okay, let me power 12 voltage on back. Okay. Let me power 12 voltage. You can check this path navigation system. Okay. see. Okay, you can check this Android 9 Pie system. There is built-in microphone. This microphone port. Please take out screen protector before using. Okay, you can check this Android 9 Pie system UI interface. Okay, let me show. This task this brightness, you can adjust brightness and darkness. Okay, there is radio. This radio, you can click search button to get the radio stations. Okay, this UI interface, very fast response, octa-core PX5. Let me check the settings. You can check this upgrade, this color icon. Let me check the robot machine. You can check the MCU version and the CPU. RAM 4 GB, it's RAM 4 GB, octa-core, okay. Rack chip PX5, Android 9 Pie system. You can check Pie system. When you click it, it will change the color. Okay, let me back. Okay, this is Android 9 system and IP address, Wi-Fi, MAC address. Okay, that's all I will do next review video. Okay, thank you.